Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to toggle USB 3.0 support on this laptop. So in order to do that, you'll have to enter the BIOS menu, and to enter the BIOS menu, turn on your PC by pressing the power button for a short while. Then when the power indicators turn on, start pressing F2 key until you enter the BIOS menu. And in the BIOS menu, use the right arrow key to select the main category right here. Then use down arrow key to select XHCI support. And as you can see, it's enabled for me, which means that the laptop supports USB 3.0 right now. And now if you want to disable USB 3.0 support, select this option and then change the value to disabled using down up arrow key. You can enable it in the same way. And now in order to apply changes, press F10 and enter. And in order to discard changes, press escape and enter. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.